Hello and welcome. Today, I'm excited to show you how Quant can simplify managing and using design assets within your team. By syncing your assets across all your tools, Quant eliminates the need for constant exporting and importing. We'll start in Figma, move through Adobe Illustrator, and Photoshop, and demonstrate integration into a live web project. Let's get started. Here we are in Figma, where I've set up our UI project. The structure and layout are all defined, but it's missing the assets we'll add shortly. Moving over to our development environment, here's the same UI project setup. It's built with HTML and CSS and mirrors our Figma design. But just like in Figma, it's waiting for the assets we're about to add. Back in Figma, under the Handoff to Devs tab, I click Use this file to start, which sets our current Figma file as a new Quant project. Now, let's select the color icons we designed and add them as new assets through Quant Panel. With just a few clicks, they're in our project's library, visible right in the Quant app. Next, we turn to Adobe Illustrator, where I convert our vector arts into a Quant project. After publishing and syncing, these vector assets are ready for Figma. Similarly, in Photoshop, I handle our bitmap assets. After creating them, I sync these assets into Quant, making them part of our Quant project as well. In Figma, I open the Link with Adobe tab, where all our assets synced from Illustrator and Photoshop are displayed. It's just a matter of dragging and dropping now. I move the vector assets from Illustrator and the bitmap assets from Photoshop right into their designated spots in our Figma project. Now that all assets are ready in Figma, including the ones from Illustrator and Photoshop, it's time to integrate them into our web project. I run the Quant sync command, and just like that, everything is pulled into our development environment. Let's take a look, and there they are, perfectly integrated into our page, exactly as planned. Let's now see how Quant handles updates and syncing. Time for some tweaks. Back in Illustrator, I'm updating our icons by giving them a filled-in style. Next, we move to Photoshop, where I'll change the dominant color of some assets. Now let's hop into Figma. Here with a simple click, we sync the newly updated icons and the color changes. Finally, one more quick sync in our development project, and watch as our web project updates instantly, reflecting all the changes. Thanks for watching. Keep syncing with Quant.